How to create templates for your email. First of all, there's an option that exists within Google, but it requires payment directly within Gmail. And when you go to the Compose section down here, right when you're about to send a message, an icon will pop up to activate this option. In my case, it doesn't show up. And anyway, this option is usually paid. If it shows up for you and you want to pay, you can do that. However, there are alternatives like the one I'm going to show you in this video, and this alternative is this extension. Although, there are several more, this is really the most important and the one that works best. Check out its rating here. For this, we're going to click where it says Add to Chrome. It doesn't matter if you have Brave or Edge, you'll also be able to update or install this extension. Add the extension. Log in with the email for templates. Once it's added, this will pop up, and it will tell us that we need to create an account. We just click on Create Account and log in with the email for which we want the templates. So here we just click on the email. Remember that if it is not the email that was initially opened, you will simply select it. Change the account and then hit Sign In. Here we click Continue, and it tells us that if you allow Cloud to access your Gmail data, Google will ask you to review this app's access to your account data. Every 6 months, this access will expire on July 15th, 2025. Don't worry about the data it asks for here, because this is really important. It will read, draft, send, and erase all your Gmail emails, view, edit, create, or change your filters. And it's not like it's going to be all this. It just needs your permissions in case you really want to do these actions. In order for the application to be able to do this, for example, when saving all these templates in your email, they will be saved directly in Google Drive, which is why you also have to connect here. So it's important to review this. And once you accept it, you just click on Continue. After you click Continue, it will finish loading. Let's just wait a few seconds, and it will finish loading the template here. Alright, it's loaded here. Right here, we even see a default template that they created, but it's really not what we want because we're looking for much better templates. For this, we're going to close this and start from scratch. Let's go ahead and draft or send a new email. And here you can see that some new options have been enabled. Some new icons, and they're over here. So when you see them, just click on the first one that says Insert Template. And here it's going to start loading all the templates they have. They not only have paid templates. Use MailChimp, HubSpot. For example, with MailChimp, with HubSpot, or directly with the drafts that we have in Gmail. We can also use completely free templates, which are all of the ones here. You can search for different occasions. For instance, over here, there's one for business if you're interested. We mainly use this one, and we're going to use one of these templates. For example, we can end up using, let's check to see which one is good to use. Let's see, for example, this emergency one could be good, but let's choose another one. This one, over here, this open house one. Let's open it, and look, it automatically loads the entire template right here. And what I can do is, the editor opens up, and I can completely modify it here, so here I can change all the text, I can put anything I want. I can also change this around here. And well, here in the contact section too. Look, even here, it already has a default option for me to add any URL. Any link, so I put www.youtube.be.com, for example, and there it finishes loading. And this link is now going to redirect over there, and I can also change the title, like putting hello here and then over there. If I want to, I can use artificial intelligence, but for that, I need to pay a subscription with them, which we don't want to do right now. And well, this is you. Basically, everything can be customized to perfection. You can even delete it if you don't like any part of this template. And you can also save it perfectly so that in the future you can use the same template and send different emails once you finish modifying all this, which honestly has a lot of options. Change the size of the title text, also change the font theme. Also over here, the thickness of the font, the size, the color. Yeah, for example, if we don't like this, we can change it to another color, like red. Everything here is customizable. We can change the template colors if we dislike any specific color, and edit the background image, which appears here, just like almost everything else. Even the background image, which is the one that appears here, we can edit it too, just like practically everything else. And if I finish editing this, what I can do is come over here to stop and choose the recipient to whom I'm going to send this email. And I just click there, put in their email, hit send, and that's it. And once I'm done, I would just hit send over here. Here, obviously, it tells me that I need to put a recipient, which I didn't do, but when I send it, the person will receive the completely personalized email. And if I want, I can go ahead and click on write again, choose the template again. So here I click to search for a template. And as you can see over here, I have the recently used template, which is this one right here. I can reuse it again. But if I don't want to, I can just look for others for different occasions. For example, this one for marketing. And here I see another completely different category to use. For example, we made this one right here, and here we can change absolutely everything again. Now with the more professional editor, we can change this. For example, we can remove this logo that appears here. Then down here, we can put our address, a link we want, and a subscription button, if that's what we want. And that's how we can handle this template thing in Gmail.